Alright, thanks for dropping back to the channel. Thought it would be a great day, since we're out here at the campground, to do a first burn on this Blue Sky fire pit. Now this is the 16-inch model. I have not used it yet, as you can see. Just some dust from, some wood I had stored in here. So let's get this out of the bag here, which is not cooperating one-handed. There we go. And let's set this up over here out of the way, and we'll get this all set up. Again, this is the 16-inch model. We have some pellets we'll use. It's a pretty nice bag they give you. So let's take this over, get some pellets in it, see how it works. Guess this is as good a spot as any, huh? Alright, let's get some pellets in it. Alright, let me pour some pellets in here. These pellets are from Tractor Supply, and we'll load it up. Alright, let's go ahead and set this up. Got the stand out. Put the fire pit on the top here. Should be a set of grooves it sits in. There you go. Pretty secure. Alright, let me go ahead and pour some pellets in there. We'll go from there. Okay. Got a couple inches of pellets in. We're about 2 inches from the holes. We'll get it lit here and see how it works. Alright, next step. Alright, let's get ready to light this. Just put a little bit of alcohol down in here. This is the way I always do mine. And my stick zapper. Pretty windy today. We'll see how it works. Like my other videos, we'll do a time lapse. Let's see how it burns. We're lit. I can feel it. Okay, time lapse. Well, at some point it turned off. It got too hot. But we're in it for an hour and 20 minutes on those 3 inches of pellets I put in. So pretty cool. Not bad. It's burning really hot. Alright, I'm pretty impressed with this Blue Sky. Definitely going to get some use out of it. Going to fire it up tonight, cook some s'mores on it. Alright, thanks for stopping by.